In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to horizontally center an element using auto margin in Webflow. Centering elements is one of those tasks that, once you know how to do it, you'll find yourself doing it all the time, to make your designs more visually balanced and appealing. Whether it's a div, a button, or text, horizontal centering is a key skill to have in your design toolkit. Let's start by selecting the element you want to center. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial because the changes we're going to make need to be applied directly to that specific element. So go ahead and click on the element in your Webflow project. For this demonstration, it really doesn't matter if it's a text block, a div, or a button. The process is the same. Once you've selected your element, let's head over to the Style panel, which you'll find on the right side of your screen in the Webflow editor. It's the panel where you do most of your work with styling, so you probably already spend a lot of time here when you're designing. Scroll down a little until you see the spacing section. This is where we control how much space surrounds an element. Inside the spacing section, there's a subtle yet powerful tool that's going to do all the heavy lifting for us, the auto margin icon. You'll find it nestled right next to the drop-down arrow. This icon is specifically designed for adjusting margin settings in a dynamic way. It ensures that our selected element will be perfectly centered, no matter what. Simply click on the auto margin icon. And just like that, your element is now horizontally centered within its parent container. It might seem like a small change, but it significantly impacts your design's look and feel. By using auto margin, you allow your layout to automatically adjust and keep everything looking neat and aligned, even when the size of the content inside your element changes. This is such a handy feature to remember, especially when you aim for designs that look polished and professional. The beauty of auto margin is its simplicity and efficiency, making sure everything lines up beautifully without needing any guesswork with other spacing values. Remember, practicing this a few times will make it second nature, and you'll find it a go-to method in everyday design tasks. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now confident in using auto margin to center elements horizontally in Webflow. Be sure to apply this trick to your designs and notice how it elevates your layout's balance and symmetry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.